Do you want to know how you can log into your Forefront AI account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you about how you can log into your Forefront AI account. Go ahead and open any browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Forefront AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this portal of Forefront. You can see there is login. Go ahead and click login. You can use your Google, your email address or your phone number to sign in. So if you are signing in with Google, just go ahead and click continue with Google, select your Gmail and then press continue and give access to forefront.ai. This way, in a while, you can notice that you have signed in to forefront.ai using your Gmail account. So, if you want to sign in using your email address, go ahead and write down your email address, press continue, write down the verification code sent to your email, and you can notice that you will log into forefront.ai easily. Now, if you want to use your phone, go ahead and click on this link which says use phone. Write down your phone number, selecting your country code, press continue and you will get a OTP. Go ahead and write down the OTP on this box over here and then you can log into your Forefront AI account as well. If you don't have an account, go ahead and click sign up and you can create a Forefront AI account now. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.